Café dof by designstudio.ure in Jung-GU, South Korea. Since the Joseon Dynasty, the Euljiro area has developed into a metal manufacturing and processing industry. At that time, the area around Euljiro was also called Gurigae, because it looked like copper glistening in sunlight from a distance. Euljiro, where the sound of metal being cut and overlapped, and the momentary light at the moment of welding fills the streets, creates a unique atmosphere where the old and the new coexist. The brand DOF is an abbreviation for depth of field. In photography, this refers to the range in which a picture is perceived to be in focus. We imagine DOF as one giant lens. Wherever DOF is located, I hoped that the essence and identity of the place would be revealed and projected into the space to be conveyed as relaxation. Euljiro had a rough beauty. The figure of a metalworker fighting in iron, wearing a torn navy blue jacket stained with black oil, resembles the luster of a rusted copper plate. We saw that the roughness and weight of the unprocessed metal and the trace itself, which corrodes over time but has a mysterious atmosphere in itself, resemble Euljiro, and we tried to reveal it without adding or subtracting. The forms made following the function are simple but intuitive, composed of cold metallic properties and black wooden boards that press them heavily. Cement-colored terrazzo is a byproduct of modernization that has been in place for a long time. The floor, which emits a soft light, reflects the light projected from the outside little by little and dyes the entire space. A long table exists as a huge object. The legs of the table, which also means the focal point of the camera, build a single linear image with the light in the gap. In the space, the artificial lighting used a copper plate that could corrode over time to express the beauty of traces.